Say good morning, Grandma.
Daddy.
Say good morning, Grandma. Nathan. Say morning, Grandma. I'm kind of having a rough morning because Grandpa took me on a long walk yesterday. Hey, what kind of car are you looking at, Nathan? Nate.
You want that car there? What do you want that car? Huh? Which one you like? You like that one?
Say morning, Grandma.
You like the red one?
Yeah?
Okay.
That one. That's the one? What about for Grandma? What car should Grandma have? Which one?
Oh, he pointed to a Yaris.
Oh, did he?